Welcome to the Hardcast Spray Applied Mastics course. Please click anywhere on the screen to begin. Since its inception in 1965, Carlisle HVAC has established itself as a leading manufacturer of high-performance products for the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning industry. It all started with the DT5300 and 5400 two-part adhesive. This is the system that gave Hardcast its distinctive name because when the product dried, it was noticeably rock solid or as hard as a set cast. Throughout the years, Carlisle HVAC has invented and developed industry-leading products including Mastic sealants, rolled sealants, insulation adhesives, and duct hardware. Always forward-thinking, Hardcast's research and development team have been pioneers in setting industry standards such as the Iron Grip 601, the first water-based Mastic duct sealant. More than 2 decades ago, Iron Grip set the stage for what is now referred to as green products. Today, Spray Seal raises the bar as an exceptional environmentally friendly product that delivers labor and cost savings to the applicator and ultimately significant energy savings to the building owner. Why is it so important to seal ductwork? Of the annual electricity consumption in the U.S., 77% is used to operate the buildings we work and live in, with the majority of that energy coming from fossil fuels. Heating and cooling makes up 39% of that usage. Studies show that duct systems typically leak around 30% of that energy. This affects the HVAC system efficiency by requiring the equipment to run longer, which in turn causes shorter life of the system and maintenance escalates. This leakage also affects the occupant's comfort as the air-conditioned air doesn't make it fully through the system. This leads to additional plug loads as heaters and fans are added to make the building more comfortable. The energy savings can be significant when correcting these issues by rebalancing the system, removing the additional plug loads, and extending the equipment life and service intervals. There are also codes, such as the International Energy Code, that requires ductwork to be sealed. There are state and federal incentives and rebates for sealing ductwork to assist in paying for the cost to perform this service or simply a reduction on the utility bill. When sealing ductwork, being able to perform a quality job in the shortest amount of time possible allows the contractor to build a positive reputation. Hardcast offers 3 different spray mastics. Spray Seal is the original sealant designed to be sprayed manually on exterior ductwork. The product is applied with a spray gun using a very small tip, utilizing the Hardcast spray sealant delivery system or any airless sprayer. Our RS100 product is designed to be sprayed robotically using the Isaac robotic spray system and also with the Hardcast spray sealant delivery system or any airless sprayer. The RS100 sealant is specifically designed for spraying internally on unlined ductwork in the HVAC system where the entire inner surface must be sealed. Our RE500 product is designed to be sprayed robotically as well, but is designed specifically for spraying internally on lined insulated ductwork in the HVAC system, where the entire inner surface is sealed. Hardcast spray mastics are available in 5-gallon pails. Spray Seal itself is gray in color to assist in matching closely to the existing ductwork. RS100 is blue to allow you to specifically see where the interior of the ductwork has already been sealed. RE500 comes in white or black. White is typically used in hospitals so they can review the cleanliness of the HVAC system over time. For Spray Seal and RS100, they both have the Underwriters Laboratory testing for zero smoke developed and zero flame spread. Our spray mastics are engineered to mate all pressures and pressure classes. Hardcast has spent the additional time to get these base polymers FDA approved. These products remain flexible throughout their life, allowing for some movement in the ductwork. Spray Seal is an all-purpose sealant for use on all types of metal duct, glass fiber, duct board, and flex duct, as well as duct fabric and flexible tubing runouts. Distinguished by its ability to accommodate minor vibration and movement, Spray Seal stays flexible to save callback labor for minor repairs due to expansion and contraction. Spray Seal's excellent coverage rate and easy spray application provide low installed costs and less waste on the job site. It's best used when manually spraying transverse joints, seams and any duct wall penetrations, as well as plume transverse joints and damper shafts. Spray mastics are good for odd angles and difficult to reach areas. Most hardcast products have antimicrobial properties, so there will be no mildew in the bucket or when applied to the ductwork. The consistency should be heavy to get a good continuous coverage and easily passes Underwriters Laboratories' requirement that the product should be able to pass a minimum of 5 freeze-thaw cycles without cracking. Additional benefits to spraying duct sealants include labor savings and material savings. Spraying typically takes less than a quarter of the time of the bucket and brush process, and the small spray tip allows precise control that results in material savings. With spraying at 1500 psi, the spray sealant penetrates the joints, seams, and gaps with ease, which will give you better quality sealing to meet the leakage specification on the first inspection. By sealing the duct system, you are removing any possible leakage and increasing the occupant comfort levels. This promotes lower energy consumption for the entire system and therefore resulting in lower utility costs for the building owner. Spray sealants can also help you achieve LEED credits for low-emitting materials as well as for occupant comfort via the thermal comfort credits. Most duct leakage occurs at the connections to the registers for plenums or where the ductwork branches out to wall penetrations. Here's a look at the basic areas that would require an application of Mastics on the T's, Y's, L's, and boots, as well as on transverse and longitudinal joints. Here's a quick look at where the sealant would be required on an air handler. In addition, you should also seal the equipment, the return air, and the return air plenums. On sections of equipment that will require removal for periodic maintenance, make sure to seal these sections with a product that will allow for easy removal. When spraying duct sealants, you should verify that the surface is dry and does not have dirt, oils, or grease. Apply the product in the appropriate temperature range between 35 degrees and 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Use a minimum spray tip size. If you use a larger tip, you will use more product and cover a wider area. Keep this in mind when reviewing competitor products. If you are robotically spraying, spray the entire interior surface of the ductwork, making sure to slow the robot down when passing the transverse joints. And always apply at a thickness that will ensure you get complete coverage. Use a mil thickness gauge to verify that you are at a minimum mil thickness of 20 to 30 mils. Always allow the product to cure for 48 hours at a minimum temperature of 35 degrees Fahrenheit or higher before restarting the system or testing the HVAC equipment. The process is fairly simple. Clean the ductwork, and if spraying externally, simply spray the joints, seams, and penetrations. If robotically applying the product, then use the HVAC robotic spray system to seal the entire interior surface of the ductwork. The Carlisle HVAC website is the best way to contact Hardcast to get information such as updated material safety data sheets, find out who your local manufacturer's representative is, as well as download product knowledge and technical data sheets on the products themselves. Or you may just want to find out more information about the HVAC robotic spray system. Thank you for your time.